Hi, I'm Yuhel from Shiri, Japan. Today, I'd like to show you one of the best-selling and highly acclaimed Japanese textbooks at Shiri, Japan. This is also this is also as popular as Genki series, which I recommended in the previous episode of this series. That is, Minna no Nihongo. The meaning of the title, Minna no Nihongo, is Japanese for everyone. And as the title indicates, this text has lots of useful Japanese expressions used in everyday lives. Some may say that expressions written in this textbook may be too easy and polite, but personally, I disagree. They are good examples. I actually use some expressions used in this book. Besides, being polite will never get you in trouble. From a Japanese point of view, I think these are really useful, natural, and practical. I'm sure that you will feel more natural speaking with Japanese people after learning with this book. Okay? After glancing, hey, can you see? You may notice a unique feature in Minna no Nihongo. This is unique and very important feature. There is no English at all. Moreover, there is no English translations on every page. Hey, but don't go away. You don't have to worry about whether you can continue or not. Why? In this vast internet world, there are lots of mentors ready to help you. For example, you can watch many tutorial videos for this textbook, Minna no Nihongo, and some of them explain the contents of this book very deeply and thoroughly. So, when you cannot understand about the contents at first sight, you can get some help from this. Of course, you can rely on me just by commenting on this video. Let's think positive and think this is like a boot camp for Japanese learners. Minna no Nihongo really is like a boot camp. Looks hard and disciplined, but is very efficient at the same time. It consists of very short time hard training programs so that you can continue without giving you time to get bored or falling asleep. In each chapter, you are required to complete a menu, memorize a few words, listen to a conversation. Yes, this has a CD, so you can listen to a conversation and do practices and solve issues. There are no places to stop and take a break, but after repeatedly learning, you will be good at Japanese. I promise. Overall, I recommend this book with much confidence. By the way, I believe practice is the best shortcut to learn fast. So, after learning with Minna no Nihongo, why not post your sentence using your new knowledge? We'll review what you learned. And hope you enjoyed this video, and I will come back soon as long as you call me Sensei. Bye.